When we say fraction, meron tayong proper, improper, at mixed numbers. So, ano po ba yung pagkakaiba ng tatlong ito? Proper fraction, those are the fractions which has lesser numerator than denominator. Like this one, 1/2, 2/4, 3/5, and 4/7. And while yung improper fraction naman, mas mataas naman yung numerator niya sa denominator niya. By the way, yung numerator is yung number sa taas and denominator yung number sa baba. Mas mababa yung denominator niya. Like for example, 3 and 2 or 3/2. 9/4, 13/5, 10/3. So, how about mixed number? So, from its clue word mix. So, pinaghalo siya ng whole number at ng proper or improper number. So, we have here 2, which is the whole number, and 1/2. So, 2 is the whole number, and here we have denominator of 2. Another example, we have 2 and 1/4. So, the denominator here is 4, and the whole number is 2. And also we have 2 and 3/5 and 3 and 1/3. And we also have what we called similar fraction and dissimilar fractions. So when we say similar fractions, those who have similar denominators. Pare-pareho yung denominators nila. Say for example, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, and 4/8. Lahat po yan is similar because pare-parehong 8 yung denominator nila. So, the same with the similar fraction, magkakaiba yung denominator nila. So, as you can see, we have here 2, 4, 5, and 7 na denominators. 1/2, 2/4, 3/5, and 4/7. That's why they are called dissimilar fraction.